Craddock, damn. Anyway, that comes first engqondweni yami, but it's a bad thing. You know, because you groove, if they tell that, like, man, groove as a Craddock, bra. Man, groove as a Craddock, bra. That's one thing I'm not gonna lie about. Man, but obviously, as a way, they have a downside to them because, So I say it's a bad thing because of the way, but that's one thing but you can ask anyone yo, that shit was so unbelievable, bro. Like abona le way isabangade baxane. But ukubona la way like xa kuthiwa like umzekelo ngokubekho I-show speed up Kapa. You could feel the atmosphere up around, man, like I can't change leyo, but you feel atmosphere and that's nobody no kuwe leyo or usually into yenzeka around nyanyani, but ibakhona we change when something big is happening in your town. That's how it felt to wake at Tamabibi, bro. Like you could feel the atmosphere, man. Say like, are we really about to have a star come out of a Craddock like that? Because another thing, we don't have anyone big as Mabibi Craddock. Like niggas can try to no was why Craddock more than Utamabibi. Only alone, man, according to him, but say you niggas need to chill. But because according to sense I wanna. But we are the ones about to but at the same time, these people are not even owning up to about stem season. So glad meeting we were raising a consensus here to walk by say, what's the life? So they are telling us meeting ba. Okay, firstly, uvusi wasixelelele yoba umasipala is the one that's funding half of this thing. You know what I mean? They funded the trip yovusi Nova bayepha. They funded the young way, man, because of Vusi Mosmala they have to eat, but they have to drink, but they all that shit, but they are the ones paying for that shit. We even have a caterer to the whole time a studio. In the kitchen they're busy cooking for us while we're writing the music. So these people are telling us, we are telling them by say, Uprama Vusana is saying, hey, can't you voice note, Prama?
Hey guys, make sure you visit our YouTube channel, The Kasim Mayhem TV. Come and watch our latest videos. Like, comment, and make sure you share the videos to everyone. Let's hit 5K subscribers before month end June. The Kasim Mayhemers. Love you. Ikapa tayam liphethe njani ungakhavi pa?
Okay, ikapa liniphethe grand, king. I won't even lie. Liniphethe grand ikapa, at least ever since dilapha no kuzikhona izinto ezibonakalayo endizenzayo. You know, and I think because it's where everything is happening in terms of the way siyenzayo, but that's where it's happening. So obviously there is a movement ezobakhoyo if I'm so far so good, king.
Yeah.
So far so good.
Away. Nah, it's always great because I recall getting your messages, bruh. And if you are able to get a podcast, I always explain your messages, but when someone approaches me, I would tell them, but say, okay, it's either like congested or I want them to work towards getting the interview, because uyifumana nje without anything is a bora go. Nothing akuzuphuma any substance or any constructive conversation. So I saw those messages and I was like, okay, cool. But when Samora hits me up, because I already saw you while you were around, and then I think, we saw each other. And I was like, uyaspana ngo you at that pace but now ngifuna ukudisturb ngathi le kake le cloud yakho ngokuba sengikho babayo sekudini isipidela le kake
hayi andikhoyela wena oko ndi humble I like to think so ndi humble anzizi bona ngicinga abantu bafuna ugcuza iwave yami yabo because kakade like xa uspana man uwezi grand sisakulandela mos so it's not about ugcuza wave or anything like that if when it comes to him now that's why I stand him now
shout out man
hey
it's your boy Kaufman I'm out here in Cape Town ukuguleta Barcelona matshitjo mengla ukine Paul South Africa man it's yet another episode of the Black Couch podcast namkelekile you welcome hey Sasbiza song. Yeah, man. Shout out to everyone who's watching. Shout out to everyone who has subscribed. Please, guys, please make sure you subscribe because over 70% of you guys that are watching the platform have not subscribed. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share. Tell everyone that the Kasime MTV Black Couch podcast is here to stay, and make sure you check out our Wi-Fi sponsor that makes sure that we always upload these episodes on time. Ikeja Wi-Fi, check them out on www.ikeja.co.za. man, love you long time for making sure that's on.
Dope intro.
Right about now. Andiyazi ta, should I call you Motela or Tamut? Because when Samora called me, I was like, who are you talking about? Because I don't know Motela. Who's Motela now? And I was like, when he showed you, I was like, man. So like, who's Tamut? Who's Motela?
Motela yabo, that's the movement yabo.
Yeah.
Bandia rap, bandia fota, whatever I'm doing to Motela yabo.
Yeah.
Utamut ligama lami lasestradweni man kubona endazinika lona ngokwami because of uta Bravo yabo ndingatsho because uta Bravo wayene line ethi bathi kumndi yimood abantwana baseGogs, so I liked la ndaba ithi bathi kumndi yimood and then ndathatha labathi kumndi yimood ndamenza igama lami ka Facebook. So then abantu baqala undibiza ngomood, so then ndathi ndoba ityani ke ngoku ndavele ndatshintsha nabhala nje Tamood. So that's where it comes from, otherwise Motela King.
Yeah. Can you describe your neighborhood for me, bruh? Because like now we are hosting someone who's like outside of Cape Town, and then you are representing Cray Dog. Shout out to Cray Dog.
Shout out.
Describe your neighborhood, dog. When you describe your neighborhood, the demographics, the standard of living, including the art scene.
Okay. Cray Dog. Cray Dog, it's a small town first of all. Yeah, boy. So it's a small town. Before Queenstown, ne, but okay, geography masiyeke. Ngokuhlala man phaya eKasi ndingathini na, it's just a small town man yabo, akho special yabo kufumanise kuba there is something special uyifumana phaya yabo. So ngeziwe zenzeka kwezinye indawo ziyenzeka, akho mali kangako yabo, but anotsho siyahlupheka yabo, akho mali kangako. Asheki, that's one thing. And that's what I'm right now. Asheki, you know, the groove, yabo, when it comes to his space, the groove, abantu ba tapped in, yabo, photography. So long as we nizenza I pick up and nathi siyazenza kulaqala. Yeah, most of them, yabo, is for manega, yabo. Yeah, and then when it comes to art, yabo, obviously zininzi artists, you know. Zininzi artists bakhona abantu abarepayo esikakhulu, sinabo no DJ. Sinabo namajita apeyinayo icebreaker ta khona ibrand kuthiwa nguta LT uta LT ndabeni sinabo nebrothers fotayo manje ezenza videos yabo o Rick Vosgang yafana nami nayo yenza umculo yafota yenza videos also sinayo ne radio presenter uMamchizi yabo uSpani Vukani FM. Yeah, man, as I said, King, like, zininzi ways ezenzwa kwela cala, you know.
Yeah,
we're gonna have to sibe sithethe ngento specific ukuze nixelele ba no ikhona okanye ayikho. But otherwise ways zininzi zikhona ba.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, what makes it special though? Like, ikasi nakasi inayo man lando iqomba key. Yeah, boba uthetha ngegooks yiwa. Speed sase gooks. Yabo lifestyle yabo akushekwa yabo yonke lawo yabo zonke ziwe manzi fast yabo I understand culture yazi ba fastest growing township yabo groovy pha yabo yeah like yona iCraddock like no lecaba mhlawumbe klamakasa pha isi iphuma ngayo yeah
iCraddock damn ikhona way that comes first engqondweni yami yabo but it's a bad thing you know because you groove yabo if they tell like imani groove as a Craddock bra imani groove as a Craddock bra that's one thing I'm not going to lie about imani yabo but obviously as a way they have a downside to them because yabona musba abantu bayaphalala yabo so I say it's a bad thing because of the way yabo but that's one thing ephambili pha yabo you can ask anyone waka wa iCraddock indawo azaqala ngayo indawo yotshwala they'll never say ba hayi ndatya kamandi e-restaurant eBlack Sheep umzekelo yabo they'll always tell you ba yo wajonga ya groove enxilo iCraddock wara so I think that's one thing yazwa ngayo kasi yabo but I'm not going to say it's a special thing because it's a bad thing but I think also when it comes to icala le entertainment we do have the entertainment pha yabo because otamabibi bakhona yabo sikhona nathi yabo bakhona brothers paintayo yabo so one thing I can say abantu need to pay more attention to it's the art side of izinto yabo because the artists is bayaphusha amajita pha bra dimlonde lapha bra that says a lot you know so ayaphusha amajita pha yabo we trying to get the ball rolling kwela cala so that's one thing I want to shed the light on except for dithi bayi sazwa ngonxila yabo
yeah you spoke about two things that and I'm thinking now they propel me to questions yabo lawe the first one was to say okay lewe and awuncanywa yabo it's not a good representative of the place yabo but my question is that because I know for a fact that majority of the time when you have a lot of establishments that cater for a groove, there's an issue or a gap between that space and artists that do music, like in terms of hip hop or Afro pop as those people tend to say that the other side iyabhora and we don't even want it in our own space. Don't bring us a hip hop artist in asifuna kudlalwa amapiano sifuna igqom sifuna intondoni. Is that dynamic also available pa?
I mean for sure King yabo available but then lucky here to Tina is to have Tina first of all likase lincinci mosela so utabani ndiyamazi man yabo utabani ndiyamazi yabo utabani ku-DJ endaweni ethile yabo so thina I think lucky yethu yilanto yoba otabani aba babhizi ezithaveni yabo they believe in us so even if asifunwa ngabantu basethaveni yabo like abantu abaconsume utywala yabo nomculo waphake yabo i-dance music but uHotmanzi ziyasinika ispan yabo ziyasinika ispan yabo then it's up to you ke ba ucacise okanye udlale yabo but I think lucky yethu yileyo thina but I think everywhere man abantu etavern they don't want hip hop yabo ngaphandle ba kwaseqaleni into ecacileyo leyo ba le ndawo indawo ye-hip hop because I think zikhona indawo ezinje so I think that applies everywhere but it's just that you just need abantu man ba in charge of layer culture to just believe in the movement as an artist rapper kwela cala that's been my fortune if English is right but I think but that's been my fortune yabo ba ndiyakwazi ungena kweza spaces yabo because ndithatha serious man lewe not to say amanye amajita abayithatha serious yabo but also indlela ofika ngayo emntwini
King. And then the second part to what you were talking about was umabibi. I know we're here for you, but at the same time, when I knew I'm gonna interview you. I was like, you better know that you are representing Craydog.
Craydog, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but you're not only coming as Umotela, you are also coming for and also selling Craydog so that people get more awareness about the Craydog. Because some people don't know nothing about these places. They just pass by mhlawumbi or just know like, but it's just a small town. But they don't know.
Like abantu banalewe ba uhlala phi? Uhlala eCraydog. Oh, asiqeda kuyo la xa sichama. What the fuck, nigga? Don't need, bro.
Yeah, boys are we? So I wanna ask you, dog. Like you said, it's a small town. I don't know what are the dynamics like. Do y'all know each other like that, or like there is a situation of saying I might not know everyone who's in culture, but we do meet in events and stuff like that. Like, what do you know about Mabibi, brah? Like, if you can decide, because the reason why I'm asking you, I almost interviewed Mabibi when he came to Cape Town. So what happens is that he was live on TikTok with Kevin Samora, and then we spoke. And he liked me. Like for some reason, I was like, I didn't expect that. Because I'm got TikTok. But at that time, I was online with the account Kasme MTV. Okay. So I joined in, and he liked me. I started playing beats for him, and he went crazy. And he told me, we're coming to Cape Town, Caesar. I was like, okay, cool. No stress. We can meet up. Then I started talking with Kevin Samora. Like, how can we make sure that we interview this guy? It's the first time when I'm telling this story, because the last time I didn't want to tell it. But I always hit the name Bangubani. But now I feel like I'm comfortable enough to say what happened. So Baza Cape Town. And then ufika kwabo ndiyaphinde ndiyatacha and then Kevin was like, no one ndiyabanga. Tachi manager ehambileyo na. I was like, ayinguwe manager. And there was this complicated thing, And then I was given the number. When I contacted the person was like, yeah, we can do it, but you have to pay us 1.5 for interview. And I was chilling with my bro. I was like, and I was like, this guy, when he explains, he's like, Umabibi got millions of views on TikTok. And Umabibi akatravelisha nje apa imali ekhutshwe to travel. I was like, you're booked, dog. Those people sorted out that thing. So you are in one of the biggest cities in the country. Why don't you utilize that option? Benza, I understand if I was an event organizer. Trying to get him, you'd say, okay, cool, it's fine. If you don't want to pull out that rate, you can pull out this rate. We can negotiate. But now you are here. This is media, bro. And people in Cape Town love Mabibi, and they would like to know what's going on. What's going on in his life. Get more connected to him, so that whenever he comes back in Cape Town, there'll be more commitments to say, story I disputed the way I'm cheater, and then they share up. I'll get in contact with his sister Kamabibi, and I won't get into detail what we were talking about, but it was not a good thing. And then she thought that Umabibi had came Nakum, and I was one of the people who are making sure up at Cape Town. And I had to explain to her, but now this thing only involves me through a podcast, so. But she went deep to tell me some of the things that were happening at that time, and unfortunately I had to cut ties. Because of Lawi. I was like, let me just stay away, because I could see by wrong. But just in general, when I die, not to go to as easy when Umazi is out in Jani pa.
First of all, Mabibi, like the way the way that he's been living Ekasi. But that's how he is in real life. But gimmick, that's how he is in real life. Like if bakhona abantu maybe banazi videos zakhe, but even 2019 yabo umjita wayene videos like utrend man, it wasn't a national scale thing yabo, whereby like quickly utrenda national ngoku yabo, uqala utrende kwalapha yabo. Umzekelo Facebook bingeyona abantu bebe-tapped in kuyo la way to your point yoba sizo like i-activist or some shit like that, like ohlobo man lwangoku yabo. But ekasi ubukwazi utrenda around ikasi yabo, because most friends sonke ekasi okanye it's easy because man i-friend yakho ni friend ngabani yabo. So uBuddha, he's been on that movement since back in the day, you know. Xa ngoku it happened into yoba abe consistent ku TikTok and then ixesha lakhe lifike uyabo. But mna iwe yakhe bendiyibukele from ngaphandle yabo, because tsathini na privately bendiyibona bayizothethisa yabo, bendiyibona like if privately ndindoda bahamba ndibizawuthethisa leli. So mna noba na involvement yabo, but otherwise I'm with the movement yabo. I love the fact that abantu bayambona and he's getting all the love yabo. So uBuddha ungumuntu nje man ongolhloba ngalo yabo on camera. That's how he is in real life yabo. But then when it comes to ngoku le situation ebekuyo, I don't know man, but I think it was a thing of a communication. Amajita la besebenza noBuddha eyona nto bebekufuna ba kufanele baba yenzile ibe ku communicator yabo, because uVuse besenziwe yakhe yabo, uKevin uSamora besenza into yakhe yabo, uRichi ebesenze yakhe, uMary J besenze yakhe. So all they had to do was to put heads together, communicate about okay, Vusi busy TikTok wena, Kev busy ngumculo wena, Mary J busy videos wena, Richie wena ubusy administration yabo. Then that way ibizospana la way yabo, because umabibe bese inside bra, abe inside bra, like even ekasi like bekunzima for yena to like avaya estratweni yabo, bekunzima for yena ba avaya estratweni umshita, because everywhere besimwela uyayiva loo nto le. And ngoku the good thing about yena is that akazongenza ngathi akakwazi ngoku ekwazi yabo. So when you come to him, he gives you the same love umshita bekunika lona yabo. So then la way ke ngoku abantu bafota naye, abantu bathini yonke la way yabo, ikamshita ibe grand man. But ke ngoku andiyazi ba ifamily ibone njani okanye ifamily ivephi bakwenzeka ntoni yabo. That's why nsithi benibukele from ngaphandle yabo. But as far as aba bantu bebe involved, I think yona we bebe idinga be communication man. Yabo be communication yabo. And I don't know ke babe besebenzisana njani namabibi yabo, but indlela uBuddha ephele bangaye kasi yabo ibingekho grand for i-level yakhe. Uyayiva loo nto leyo, because as umuntu on emotion yabo, especially umuntu ofana noTamabibi, because it's evident ba uBuddha is mentally disturbed yabo. So for umuntu njengoTamabibi yabo, he needs abantu abazomcontrola like ba okay wenza le ngoku akayenzi le ngoku wenza le yabo, so that sizokwazi ba nathi man yabo, as much as understand ba ungumuntu njani, but then at the same time si respect le nto bayenzayo. Uyayiva loo nto leyo. But then ke ngoku indlela uBuddha phele bangayo yabo iye yamhlisela yabo. And then ke ngoku kwakhona neziways family ze-social media zenoni. So I think that's what happened with uBuddha yabo. But we yakhe bithembisa man. Ibithembiso
the thing is uske wanqaba nonqaba nisambone yabo, without following him yabo, kubona iwe uyazibona manzimane sivela yabo,
for sure.
But akasabonakali and all of that yabo la way.
Bayazama like umposter uBra yabo, bayazama, but I don't know, because as always nje man zenzeka once. They only happen once, so sithi uyayibamba okanye uyayiphuncula yabo. But if uzawuphinda ufuna ubuye, then I think money is gonna have to be involved. You're gonna have to pay for shit to happen yabo. But I don't think they're gonna do it organically like the first time. Because yasothusa kayi-1 most like uyasophinda so-2 ke ngoku yabo. But ngoku we just need to see moves ezi-serious, you know. So I think that's what needs to happen. But uBuddha sakhona apha ekasi yabo. And even nami ezi video ndizenzayo bengena ndaphula iprank kuye yabo, bengena bethe prank kuye eshop yabo. But nje la way yo jamela umuntu yabo, la way yo jamela umuntu. I think ndinayo la video yabo. Yeah, but phela nikubonisa.
Yeah. Away. Nah man, his story sakhe yo sesanstress us too much, especially at that time like dincokola nesisteri yabo. Yeah, sanstress and aqomba let me just back off, but hopefully one day I will get to meet him yabo. And have a conversation because he seemed like a cool person yabo. Yeah, he really seems like a cool person. Like yaboniswa nswembu.
Bra, it's so fun to have him around. Even at tavern yochonga akwazi bethe igroove bencinci lapha lo.
Yeah.
Akwazi bethe igroove bencinci lapha lo. But with family story ngokubona kwami ku social media yabo as I said andazi for all mosina.
Yeah.
Like izathi bayakhombana amajita yabo. So o Mary J bathi nguvusi o fake izinyoka kulota amabibi.
Yeah.
But then lota amabibi nabo bathethe ngathi bayayazi lewe yabo. So hey, that shit is fucking up yonke way kata amabibi because if lamjita benabantu nje man bebekwazi understandana probably ngesa sapa ngoko.
Yeah, definitely because like you can't convince. There's no rapper. I don't think there is a rapper that has convinced a radio personality like Anele to be tapped in. To even stop a show yakhe. For imagine 947 bro. 947. And like interrupt a show yakhe for this person.
And that shit was so unbelievable, bro. Like abona lewe isabangade baxane.
Yeah.
But ukubona lawe like xa kuthiwa like umzekelo ngokubekho I-show speed up Kapa.
Yeah.
You could feel the atmosphere up around man like akhona change leyo but you feel atmosphere and that's noba into kuwe leyo or usually into yenzeka around nyanyani but ibakhona we change when something big is happening in your town. That's how it felt to wake at Amabibi, bra. Like you could feel the atmosphere man ba say like are we really about to have a star come out of a cradle like that? Because another thing, we don't have anyone big as Amabibi Craddock. Like niggas can try to no one bana bra. Akomnu was why Craddock more than Amabibi. Like bra sikhona nathi mna ndindodwa yabo zininzi wenda kana zenza before. Even before Amabibi yabo. Even half of zona umjita zange achieve yabo. But as far as the impact, as far as if fame goes, that's the biggest export out of a Craddock. So that's how that moment was for Tina. We were like, damn. So really, we're about to have Umjita or Big Zulu, they are tapping in. Or Anele, they are tapping in. So it was huge, bro. Like you could feel even like on Facebook, bro. Like in an instant, we're everywhere, Umjita. WhatsApp, Mabibi, on Facebook, Mabibi, everywhere, bro. You know, so that was a big thing for Umjita. I don't know how the niggas fumbled that.
Ish. But I don't want to dwell into that, dog.
Come on.
Like Craddock, how does Craddock receive you? Like Umbano and a Craddock?
Brah, Craddock, I'm him.
You
know, that's without exaggeration.
I
don't think there is rapper that is famous more than him, the Craddock. Kuzo zonke age groups. From abantwana to izintwana to indanga zami to abadalana kunami yabo amabhotira amasisteri even like omama abadala yabo just like I've said like zininzi wena achivayo nami ezaqala ukwenzeka kasi ngeage ebendikuyo yabo because I'm not that old, so low way leyo affordela, you know, a popularity Kaslam. So I won't even lie, bro. Like Kaslam land supporter. Land supporter la we Kaslam, especially on moves like this whereby this yabo. Because I can guarantee you one thing, yabo. A lot of people abazobukela le episode yako, it's my people. That's one thing I know for sure, and I can even bet my life on that. Yabo. So Kaslam land supporter, bro. Like la we yabo. And I'm one of a few abasapatwa because most amajita man, they don't move like as serious as some of us do, you know. Because like you're a hip hop artist, it doesn't end only when you have to make music. Yeah, but I think that's the easiest part. Yeah, but then the hardest part starts when you have to take out the music and then you have to get it out to people, and then it has to make impact ebantwini, you know. So because of isizathu ezinjalo yabo, ikasi lami liyanisupporta. I'm one of abantu abambalwa that are being supported there, you know. So because most thina as a local artist like Tatina sine double work. Yeah, if we have to convince abantu ba bayithathe seriously wisiyenzayo. Yabo, because abantu abayithathe serious by hip hop because, you know, that's another reason why ndilapha eCape Town. Yabo, because up at least there is a market. And then second of all, abantu abakuthathe serious as umrapper. So you have to convince them to take a rap serious, and then you have to convince them to take you serious as umrapper. You know, so I think respectfully and rightfully they achieve it, you know. So it was only right from Nabaman Pume Kas, but Kas Lamba support like Bango go April, ne?
Yeah.
Go.
It's the last day of April.
Last day of April, ne? Okay, Manchong up. Go. Ipina inyanga. Go February.
Yeah.
Ne? Yeah, go February. Then say like over 1,000 in a day and a half.
Yeah.
Things umculo wami about directly to abantu bam.
Yeah.
So I made a list of abantu abanindibaziyo bana kanjani yabo, like the people that always reach out to me like say when is the next drop, yabo, congratulations yonke la way. Made a list, daba approacher, yabo, ndabaxelela okay, no man, yabo, I'm about to do this because of this and this and this and this, so I would love support yakho. And kabantu basekasi yaba, this is the reason why I'm telling this story. Kabantu basekasi yaba,
yeah,
you know. So when the day came, band Kupingoma, ndabatasha still by say the song is out, I appreciate yabo, but you know ba wenze lento buthe uzayenza yabo. So then people abanye babo they didn't find the method bendispansile convenient for bona yabo, so they would rather send imali straight to your account yami.
Yeah,
yabo, instead of buying ingoma yami online yabo, and especially use of details as a bank. Yeah, so for all you know, it might be a scam.
Yeah.
So I made over 1,000. Yeah, boy, in a day and a half. Ikaslam. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so I think it's fair to say the support, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I was, which song I was listening to? Between the song that you sent me and the one with, I think it's the one that you sent me, man.
Yeah.
I think it's the one that you sent me where you have a line, you paid for your own tour. Yeah. Like coming from the conversation, you by Ikasiak support and all of that. What happened, dog? When was that, and what happened? What kind of tour were you doing?
Okay, so the thing with that line there is, because it wasn't really a tour whereby I was said, but okay, I'm going on tour, you know.
Yeah.
But it was kind of like a tour because I told myself, but okay, I want gigs in different places around the country.
Yeah.
You know, because they perform a Kredok, they perform off Meya, they perform a Khafu, they perform a Kapa, you know, and not only in one place, up a Kapa.
Yeah.
But so I try to make sure I have multiple gigs in the Yakuza just so that the network is grand.
Yeah.
So la line, it means low way,
okay.
I had to fund my own shit, you know. I had to buy this patalele yonke mali transportation ngokwami, umphako ngokwami, yonke la way yabo. I had to fund my own shit.
Yeah.
Even when it comes to hosting shows yabo around the castle yabo, because I've done shows at Khafu, I've done shows at Kredok. You know, that came out of my own pocket.
Yeah.
You know, I had to pay it ngokwami without uncedo lami yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So la line, that's basically what it means.
Yeah.
You know, I think yeah. That's what I meant, la line, man. I had to make it sound more proper You know, so that is align nengoma, because as I explained to you, pakla message, it's the shit that we were doing, no Vusinova.
Yeah.
You know, so we were trying to like make mainstream music.
Yeah.
You know, so I had to switch it up a bit and then dance by Ingena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the project about? Because I also saw it on your EPK. What was the project all about, and how did you get the opportunity to be part of it?
Yeah, I think this is where the interview gets interesting. So we in the cars, right? And then I'm like, damn, fuck this rap shit, you know?
Yeah.
This fuck shit is not working. Yeah, boy, and I don't have money, yeah, boy, like, and Spain, yeah, boy. And to be honest, andifuni uspana yabo, because ingqondo yami kwenye orbit, if kuthiwa i-orbit la yabo, but kwenye galaxy basically. Yabo, kwenye indawo yabo. I just want to make my own money, and I want to make shit tons of money.
And you're also loyal to hip hop?
Nah, not really. Yeah, not really, because la xesha imali bengaplananga uyenza nge-hip hop.
Yeah.
Yabo, I was doing some other shit.
Yeah.
Yabo. So I was like, damn, everything I'm doing is fine. So you know what? Let me just take a break from entertainment, you know, and focus on indlela reels okwenza you know, as guaranteed. Yabo. So Pagum sine business yokutya, yabo, like sithengisa ukutya. Sister wami wayiqalayo, yabo. Yeah, so sister wathi, no man, mina busy mos learnership, so wena khamba ubamba apha, at least ube nemali engenayo. So busy Russian and chips. Yabo, sometimes you order, sometimes amagwinya. Yabo. So kuvele le week Vusinova yenzwa sesisigela, yabo, kuthiwa ikonwaba. Yabo, it's a private institution. Yabo, a private institute ekwapha iKasi, hayi kokudala ivukile man, but they keep bringing opportunities to iKasi, yabo, because usister wakhona ngumuntu omanithi, yayiva lewe. Ngumuntu omanithi lawe, yabo. I think it's safe to say by a millionaire. Yeah, and the lifestyle iyamvumela, yabo, but that's beside the point.
Yeah.
Ikonwaba, it's bringing uVusinova. They are bringing uAndile Nebulana, which is Dr. Malinga on New Generations.
Okay.
No, not Dr. Malinga, man. Detective Malinga.
Okay.
Yeah, Utali. They are bringing Dr. Tools. Yeah, so I'm like, damn, I'm not really a competition, most yabo. But and there hasn't routine, man, but mhlawumbe ngizothi jealous okanye yintoni yabo, but andikho grand, andingumntu grand for a competitive sport, you know. So I was like, nah, andizoyenza le here, man. And by the way, ndazazibiza lapha eKasi izophelela nje emoyeni. Okay, fine. But xa kusondela ezi ntsuku zale way, ndiyayibala mna le way, but damn, I need the purpose. I need purpose, man. I need purpose. Yeah, bo. So that plan decided, but no, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, bo. I'm gonna go for it. And you know, like like man. Yeah, so I'm like, come on, tell. I was like, we dog, you have experience, you know. So nyani da phela nsiya klawe. Yeah, ivaliwe. Da phela nsiya klawe, man. So again, it was like, I think 59 of us. Yeah, 59 of us, if not more, because abanye babemane ngohamba. Yabo, but yeah, you have to make sure ngestory sakho pha. Yabo, auditions zinje almost, you have to make sure, yabo, because bakhona amaqala kunawe. Yabo, yeah. So mna ndaya pha ndisho ba, okay, I'm gonna kill this shit and I'm gonna get this opportunity. You know, because it's gonna be good also for your profile yam, and also it's a good opportunity for me because it's Vusinova. Yeah, so nyani come the day of the audition, ndavaya ndayotsho pha. Yeah, but we auditioned the rounds two rounds, yeah. Yeah, it was 2 rounds. Yeah, round 1 ngulowe kuyo, and then round 2 ngulowe groups ke ngoku. Yeah, so I was part of a group. Yeah, so nyani we won the thingy. It was 5 of us, but from a group of 6 people. Yeah, but abazoba 10 into superstars.
Oh, yeah.
From eKasi.
Yeah,
but as I've said, sisikele sinemali. Masipala is involved clearly.
Yeah.
You know, and I think somewhere somehow besizoba the artists kaVusi, so Vusi was somehow gonna be involved in our financially clearly.
Yeah.
So yeah, sayibetha lo way, sabetha our auditions, and then we were supposed to work on the EP, you know, the rest of the week. Took us 3 days to put together like EP is 6 songs, and then Gimini 5. So yeah, audition first day, 3 days recording, and then last day, which was Friday, yeah, listening session, you know. Yeah. So that's what happened with that thing, you know. And then you walk, obviously, big promises, you know, about okay, so as soon as when you guys get to Josie, we're gonna buy you clothes, we're gonna get you professional photography, we're gonna da, you know, and
what happened? What happened, dog?
Yeah, so hey, bra, like abantu abanemali man, tathini na. Bayathanda usenza ipawns kwindondoni yabo.
Yeah.
They just move us around to get what they want, you know. Because I believe aba bantu abafuna uba sezincwadini ezinhle zasemakasana yabo. Like ibe ngathi ba because
don't you think maybe there was a funding for Lando and then they used like maybe 20% of that money just to do that thing, and then the rest went to the pockets?
Obviously. Icacile lo yabo, that shouldn't even be a question, because akhona basenzele yona abantu after nothing abasithembisa yona basenzela yona. Yabo. First of all,
did the project come out?
That's another thing. We're just keeping the music in the vault, yabo. No one is paying
Who's
us.
Keeping the music?
We have the music.
Where was the music recorded?
Okay, let me tell you this. So, uVusi, Dr. Tools, yabo, namajita wabo, yabo, they came with their own equipment.
Okay.
Yabo, I think it'd be equipment got Dr. Tools. Yeah, Dr. Tools is the producer of the project.
Yeah,
so equipment yakhe yabo umjita waza nespeaker nemic and everything. Yabo, so pha ikonwaba mos they have a building abayirentayo abasipanela kuyo. So basinike office first floor, then ground floor must be first floor. Like first floor basinike office grand pha in the balcony. So we recorded the music ngeways zabo yonke yabo. We just came with the talent yabo. But then after we recorded the music, there were shows, a couple of shows esizenzileyo. But kwapha eKasi, not outside of eKasi. Maybe 2 months later, ikonwaba ya host a show, and then we were booked apart. And then get 31st December, we go come mama ungenayo kweziwe events yabo wapha emakasana naye wasibukisha, but through ikonwaba yabo. So we needed to have the music because of Londo yabo, because she booked as a group yakhona kuthiwa iCredit 5 yabo. So we need umculo weCredit 5. Awumawuthela akazofika azoperform ingoma zakhe pha yabo. We need lowa umculo besewenze nababantu yabo, because le nto idibanise nababantu. So we had to have the music yabo. But no one is saying anything about the music ngoku. No one is, and like
how long was that?
Last year September.
Oh, last year it's
last
fresh,
year September.
Bro.
Yeah, it's fresh. But at the same time, it's not fresh, because last year September was a long time ago for akukenzeki into ngoku. Yeah, it's fresh in the sense that like akukudala man yenzekile, but in terms of ipace abahamba ngayo kulate, you know. And we did confront them, yabo. I can show you even messages yabo. We did confront them. But I say, what a one, yabo. But they keep pointing fingers ngapha nangapha. Omnyathi, hayi, silindele uVusi kaloku yabo nebudget no. Bra yazi ngase ndixelele yonke le beyenzeke njani, because aba bantu iyacapukisa le yabo bra. Ukubone like a dog ujingisa inyama phezukwayo lawe, but even if iyazama utsiba akayibambi. That's the same shit that happened to us. And we are not the first, because kukhona way man ezenzekileyo before thina, like ifilm yabo abantu shoot ifilm eKasi yabo, but la film uyayiphelele emoyeni It's almost like this gamer. It's almost like this.
Now I feel you, dog, because like you think that maybe in a bigger city I has experienced I've experienced it firsthand, so many projects, and as Pumi ezinye were in the level of Netflix. So I know as a way.
So ababantu abayake nabo, they come with that shit because basuka Joburg first of all. That's one thing. That's the energy in the feeling kubo. These are Joburg people bayabonakala man. We don't live the same yabo, indlela zethu asifani. Yabo, indlela zethu zophila asifani yabo. So basithembisiwe ababantu ne, and then azenzeka yabo. So now ke ngoku siyabatacha ke ngoku bayekuse bekunini na. Okay, after the listening session, Vusinova told us kuzonyanzeleka ba siye kuzonyanzeleka ba siye eJozi yabo for the marketing and the promotion of this thing yabo, and he told us the municipality is involved, so they're gonna pay 50% of the budget for the whole thing yabo, and then the 50% is gonna come from Ekonwaba and Vusinova. So 25 plus 50 ngamaspala, and then the thing iyenzeka yabo. So on January sabatacha, no, not January, September, October, November, sabatacha on November. But say, what's the life? Yabo. And then the timelines I'm up with because I'm grand like when it comes to anyway yabo. But bastacha yabo ba say okay, saqala sagi event yabo, iThemba festival, and then phana sa perform grand yabo, everything was good yabo. But yakala phaya no yonga we grand yabo, because abona abantu babehoyiwe phaya ayingovusi yabo, of which is fine because that's for Sinova. But then what about us, because nathi sivana lamajita mos yabo, so asawoyeka grand phana yabo, but fine azange siqumbele lo wile. After that siyababuza ke ngoku say what's the life project imaxa ndawoni yabo. Manager wethu, which is manager wabo ayingowethu yabo, ku project manager of the institute yabo, so usebenza labona not thina, but she's our manager because singabantwana babo basically
of the project,
you know what I mean. But until we find a proper manager, she's just gonna manage us yabo, but she didn't know anything about this thing that we are doing yabo. So the she was just a liaison between Tina institute yabo, our institution. So akazi no yabo, so we kept flooding her questions, and then wasidibanisa nababantu ke ngoku yabo, uSisinandi, which is the CEO and the founder of Ekonwaba. Sisinandi sadibana naye sane meeting eGrand, wasiringela bayekuse man sanowara yabo, next month I'm hooking you guys up, photo shoot, professional photography, dance or China, I'm gonna come back with clothes, wara yonke la kaka yewe yabo. And then obviously we were amped, you know, but then time goes by yabo, none of the shit is happening. They postponed this shit for next year yabo. Okay, cool yabo, we get a gig go December sivaya siyo performer yabo, akhe fine yonke igcwale yabo. Following year go January, which is going 2026, that's when shit starts to hit the fan because they told us ababantu bayasicala for the previous gig that we did for bona no Vusinova yabo, but then abathethi ngemali ngoku bayekuse when is the money coming in yabo. Thina ayekuse what's the life yabo, umanager wethu ke ngoku uyaqala udikwa naye ke ngoku yabo. So that's when the problem starts. Xa lo mntu lo yaqala udikwa yabo, because udikwa njani ngumsebenzi wakho. Thina we don't even have to basithi coffee yabo, khabuza umjita yabo bayekuse ithini we yegwala yethu yabo. When you're supposed to be the one that makes sure that thina sigrand yabo. So ke ngoku la way ibingeyo shocking ngakho ukuthi, because obviously lo mntu usebenza laba bantu simthuma kubo, obviously akazobajikela yabo. But then when we started ufaka umfutho, that's when ngoku nabo baqala ufeel fire yabo, and then babiza meeting for thina ke ngoku yabo. So according to him yabo, the meeting was just to basicheck like put us in place. But now you can never put me in place as long as the house really lie right. So it's just that, you know, sometimes you just have to be respectful but otherwise sometimes. So that meeting was just man, according to him, but say you niggas need to chill, because according to sense we are the ones but at the same time these people are not even owning up to you about stem season. So that meeting we were raising a consensus to say what's the life. So they are telling us meeting okay, firstly uvusi wasixelele ba umasipala is the one that's funding half of this thing. You know what I mean? They funded the trip yovusi Nova bayepha. They funded the young way man because of Vusi Mosbala like they have to eat, but they have to drink, but they all that shit, but they are the ones paying for that shit. We even have a caterer to the whole time a studio. In the kitchen they're busy cooking for us while we're writing the music. So these people are telling us, we are telling them by say, Uprama Vusana is saying, hey, can't you voice note, bra, you are a little voice note, bra. Uprama Vusana is saying, Umaspala is the hold up. You know, and you guys are telling us you are not waiting for Umaspala. So who should we listen to? And then these people are telling us no. The only person Tina is Vusi Nova to come through with the budget. For this whole Jozi trip. And now we are like, why because more than Tina. Tina, we can't just call Vusi Nova on some what's the life? Because we don't know about Kwenza Kandoni. Ningabona abantu abayaziyo into yoba
we're just talking about ultimately what's
good times too.
Shit, okay.
Hey guys, okay, I was just talking to Ulia, and we were just talking about ultimately what needs to happen and you know some of the things that are holding us back that we can't run away from, you know. One, yes, I had a meeting with the Afro Code. Bona, they gave me all the dates we can use. But now remember, we can't release without one, a marketing plan, two, a budget. That's very important. A marketing plan, for example, I've got a template of our old marketing plan that we use here. So it's just a matter of tweaking it here and there, but ultimately we've got the template for it. The biggest thing is then for the funds by the municipality to be released. I spoke to Sis Nandi. We are aware of this. We've spoken to MM. So the process is starting. And again, we're trying to push it faster than usual. That's why Unandi is pushing on her side. I'm also pushing with MM on my side as well. So both me and Sis Nandi are pushing Ulanduk with MM. And I can't stress this enough, guys. It's impossible to release. It doesn't make sense to release when the funds haven't been released yet. Because remember, there's photo shoots that need to happen.
Okay.
There's outfit.
So we have basically Umaspala. That's the hold up. So now these people are telling us Umaspala is not part of Levy. But now we're asking about so from there, I think that's where we were started to be looked at as about problematic, because we were catching up to everything. Yes, we were starting to catch up to everything. Whatever the case may be. But ever since then, as long as grand. I can show you even like receipts.
When was those the voice note that you just
21 January.
Okay.
21 January, and then after that, Tisokbonisa now you still cho. Yes, what? as message kunini brand zama ureach Vusinova. No answer until 26 ka April, which is lenyanga 20 ka April, which is lenyanga sikuyo. And all la maxesha wabonayo apha yabo ndimfonela like xa isano post status ithi xa sithi just now bet umnxeba same time because it means online, but then no answer, you know. So then it means by calling abayifihlayo yabo, and obviously like it was a scheme for bona bafumana imali yabo, because abasohoyi thina ne but bona basasebenzisana. I-posters saphuma yabo ikonwaba is hosting events East London, blah blah blah. Vusinova is dead, he's booked, but we are not booked thina, but see product yabo directly from bona. Because without bona we wouldn't be a group, and there wouldn't be any of the music that we have made together, members of Craddock 5. But at the same time basibeka ngaphandle. So what does that mean ngabo ke ngoku? It means babe basetyimala babantu ngathi, and abantu aba bebezama i-publicity ngathi, so that it seems like benza into ezigrand ekuhlaleni, because remember I said benze ne-film zipho ezofilm ngoku yabo, but into eyenzekayo bonke aba bantu baza nabo xa befika apha ekhaya babhizi bayanxila, babhizi bathenga utywala, bathini bawaste imali. That's one thing I know for sure, and naleyo ndine-receipts zayo. I have videos, I have pictures, yonke la kakayewe. And bra like mna bangaxelela yabo abantu ebendisipana nabo yabo when it comes to lewe. Throughout the whole time azange ndisele tywala mna nditshaya iganja yabo, so ndizincanyela iganja yam ndibe in the corner and just observe, maybe nje ndingene if kunyanzeleke ukuba ndingenile yabo, but yonke la mbudane yabo azange ndiyenze yabo, of which is fine umuntu owayenzayo yabo. I understand, because like zathina na xa uhleli ne-idol yakho yabo zimbalwa izinto nothi zenze ungazenzi yabo, because uVusi he gave us permission ba no if ufuna usela fethu yabo ngosese-studio yabo, of which maybe there was nothing wrong naloo nto yabo, but I just wanted to stay focused mna, because i-opportunity enkulu le yathi to a point yoba ndifuna uyibhatyaza uyayiva loo nto leyo yabo, and ngoku as always ndenza uneasy mani mna uyayiva loo nto leyo, because you can't really trust industry people. You know what I mean? Like satanism means power, yabo. So you never know what's gonna happen, yabo. You just have to stay sober-minded and focused. Yabo. But then abantu abayapra bayanxila, yabo. Bayanxila bra, like andi cheeky lewe and shaky. Bayanxila. Yabo abantu aba instead of expand, hey bra. Thina mos sisinemincile ngalewe man. Yabo, like we are excited, yabo. Vusinova came and went back, and then came again day before the show. 2 days before the show, but he got the episode. So we were supposed to have rehearsals day before the show. But then we were just chilling, we were just having fun, bro. Like we were drinking alcohol. Basically, I was not drinking alcohol.
We as like the
exactly. Yabo. As the group sabizwa, yabo. Kwathenga utywala, kwathenga inyama, kwabraya yabo. Yeah, obviously it was nice yabo, but then we didn't do le into besizele apha. Uyayiva loo nto leyo. And ngoku there was no limit yabo. Ndingatsho man uba ufuna uyayifumana yabo.
You actually make me realize uba there's a possibility uba the reality show that I shot kwakuthiwa izawuba Netflix, it's possibly sold in one of the international countries, and and I'm not getting any shit.
So yeah man, busy behaviors injalo, but otherwise overall abantu I think bona babesenza imali ngathi yabo. And then ngoku that's fucked up. That's fucked up yabo, because bagenile bona more than thina. You know, thina sifumene nje to credit. And maybe I think we made like 20,000 yabo, but 20,000 divided by 5, that's 4K yabo, 4K. Whereas ungayifumani yonke uyifumane piece by piece ayondo. Ayondo.
That's crazy, bra. Abantu ababukeleyo bazandicaphukela ngento yoba I want to continue with this conversation, and I wish I could do a follow-up, yabo, because I feel like into serious, yabo.
It is.
And if ever people don't learn about such things, because I think indawo yenu was an easy target. for whatever is happening. We are speculating now about both Mandito on my perspective, because when you are part of the thing, so I feel like,
and the fact that thing sorry joke is that Ababandu, they are still working on other projects. You know, so the way it's still gonna happen, bro. Maybe it's a change and what's coming on the yabo. Phone improve wrong, but it's still happening the way Ababandu, they are still invested in these new ways and Makasana. But because I think baby Sando will some yamdana aya overseas. But corner most modeling agency a producer like international models. But on their scale, but I go famous but at least ba connected. But just to put a band overseas and shit like that. So Ababando, they were just involved with umdana pa ba makawela overseas, and he has nix way, but because it wasn't that much with agency, I think that had something to do now, you know, because msakalo ndingatsho yabo ba ndithi okay jonga Brian wenza kwenzela liwene, but wena uzothetha ngalewe, I'm the only one uzothetha ngayo. I think it was a situation but that's basically why I'm calling them out. Because ngifuna abantu babe aware. But abantu babe sure xa bezospana nabo.
No, even kwa utavusi yabo, if ever ufuna respond amna the corner yabo. The corner like serious hot man bawubukele yabo. You can respond to me or you can respond to him. To say that the can't dig it up by like hot man yabo. And then I'll answer none because there's pendula.
Come on.
I'll answer, then we organize something, Kolelu fly and the fly. Then we chop it up because like it's lingering now. It makes it just took me a memory lane click like in your project and it's lingering because that thing got lingering up until Namda life because it happened around 2020 life, and I even saw that dude like the millionaire guy airport and see Joburg just greeted each other and nothing. There was no update but Excel project there was nothing like that.
And I feel like Nama would do the same if they had Vusi. Like I know Babuza for all. Because ayikho nyena ndazela yona ngaphandle kwala project. So if you're not uthetha ngayo then tsameka nami yabo. As long as the life for me grand. And since Dibana soon, it's not a threat. But then I know by at least in the it's going up so ngekudala nje sisaba ngendawo yi-1 but it's not going to be awkward from my side, you know. Ba wena kuyi-real nigga kuzaba ba awuyiyo i-real nigga, it's going to be awkward from your side.
For just 5 minutes but because like anifuna ukushiya ndingazikhanganyanga ezinye izinto yabo. The work that you're doing now with the content, tell me about it.
The work with the content, it's a span. See, like, tap into so many things. Probably not so many things, but more than one thing. Because first of all, I'm the first content creator who goes on the content in the Yenza Kaslam, which is interviews. But before I just saw something nice and then I took it and I Kaslam. That's vertical number 1. But the new vertical number 2 is that as a rapper, I think I have limited reach, because of initium, So sometimes it's grand like break out of, you know, the way you go and go touch abanye abantu kwenye ndawo because la content ifine most. So ibiza abanye abantu abathanda ukuzihlekisayo and then abantu they are gonna tap into the rapper brand. So that content, that's what it's for, you know. Otherwise I'm not really a funny toad. I'm not a funny toad. In fact, I have jokes like sometimes I'm like, shit, what the fuck did I even say that? You know, but Jay, it's just to widen the reach Just to widen my reach.
Nah, shout out. I think when you see an opportunity, bro, just take it.
Just go for it.
Because you'll never know. That might be your thing, because as well as a musician, and abanye abantu bayakhala ba coffee ayikho kodwa le nto yenzayo. Ewe usile uyenzayo iyamuva, we applaud you. Nice, kudos. But funded umculo.
The music end.
Like
and so, I think also like anyway and the libele kanganya when it comes to the way about like ayona way about inenza great in Cape Town. It's the fact that anina way one yabo by song as a rapper. Song as a DJ, song as a teen yabo. Kuki podcast yabo kukho abantu abenza interviews this enzayo. Kukho influencer like zonke manje ezikhona. And ngoku that's what's lacking eKasalam yabo. And I always tell amajita exafethu kind of vlog in majita. There's nothing cool enzayo yabo. Are you artist, are you entertainer, but if you are part of the culture, you're a fan of this thing, yabo. Vlog, like at least we put all the way. There's nindlela thina singayenzi ngazo. And like amajita slow yabo wayenzi lonto, because if you don't landela, you'll find out that there's ways needs. I'm shooting videos for amajita, they are live streamer, there's interviews in their photo, they are rapper yabo. Just because I'm trying to widen the industry, I'm trying to abanye abantu babone ba because anawari mina if umuntu uyayifika idea yami but so that's the thing. I
know when someone gets comfortable in the couch I feel bro, I wish yonke le way that you just spoke about, man, can bone ibe clear kuvele something yabona, because I hate to enjeyata like mna komuntu okhohlakeleyo ndibana naye yabo, once ukhohlakale and you want to compromise people yabo around you for your own benefit, awusaphili. Awuphili kum because umdaka nje into enedibene nawo wena ucinga ubumdaka uhleli yabo la we. So noba ungane glitz and glam ungana ntoni, if mindset yakho ikula level you are ngasikudlalele pha fair kum yabo. So I just wish that doesn't intoxicate yonke into ekhoyo eyenzekayo Grey Dog yabo, because those kind of towns, they have a huge potential. I understand. They have a huge potential. I'm doing tourism. I think I told you earlier on, and as part of tourism, I would ask my guests, oh, you coming from a small town, Germany or Switzerland or US? Itumenga ndoni kasi yakho yabo, athi umuntu ba you athina senze into ethile nethile. I'm like, okay, so the whole of your country depends on your town for this thing. Athi yabo la initial town, you understand? So the town that you come from definitely has something to offer to South Africa, and if ever kwabantu abanje, because iyafana ngathi ingcinezelo. So if abantu that are trying to do something, then you are killing the moral.
For sure.
Town yonke, sure. So I just wish like kunga clean, man.
Cela umculo wethu guys. Sicela ukhuphe umculo wethu, that's all we want, Siyakwazi usikhuphela umculo wethu kanti sivumelene nje. Come on.
Did you guys sign any contracts?
Nah, no contracts okwangoku. Actually, that's what we were trying to do ukuze singahoyakali grand. Because bona bebesenza ezi promises mos yabo and all that bullshit yabo. So we were like, okay, now siyaniva. I think it would be best if we have all of these things written down. Sizosign songeni.
Because technically, Dr. Tools own the masters.
And Dr. Tools, I think that's one person like because he's not leading this thing, but he's just part of the structure. But in terms of like goes Dr. Tools he made the beats, and then he mastered the songs. He made the beats, he mastered the songs, and then he was involved in studio sessions and stuff like that. So and asimbali I think so. however, we would like him to as Kanyisele when it comes to royalties and shit like that, because I think he's someone that we are going to have to involve.
Yeah,
but when it comes to your royalties, so that's one thing we want from him.
Yeah.
Bro.
Before we wrap up, bro, I have to ask you this question. Yeah, but it's my two-way question. As soon as I say the two-way question, I think what's that one thing that people say about you which is not true? And what's that one thing that people don't know about you wish them to know?
Damn. Okay, I'm gonna start with the other one. One thing I wish abantu bayazi ngami. You know, nina ephambili Thixo. Mna like angiqavanga yabo as much as nicinga baniqavile.
Yeah.
So if you see me and I'm not the person ocinga ba ndinguye yabo ingase unganjudge yabo, because I don't really like uba phakathi kwabantu yabo, or just interact nabantu yabo. I interact only when I have to. Otherwise I like my own space yabo. I like to ngihlale nabantu uncomfortable nabo yabo. So that's one thing I want people to know about me yabo. So if when ucinga ubona but just because andiqavelanga okanye ndiyaphola yabo ucinga ba hayi ubona ndicacelwanga, it's not that, it's me. You know, ayinguwe ndim. Bona kwawulahla umntu. Ayinguwe ndim.
Gaslight abantwana babantu nina.
Yo, one thing endifuna abantu
into like oyivayo ngawo which is not true.
Hey.
Kuthi uthene eCraydog.
eCraydog bra. Andinangxaki nabantu yabo. But ke ngoku ndinengxaki nabarepa. Yabo. Abarepa pha kumekasi yabo, not bonke. Not bonke. Bakhona abo nabo. Yabo. Bacinga bathi mina ndithatha so celebrity.
Okay.
You know? But that's not true.
Is it because you are organized, Oganya?
It is because they're organized, and because I'm a go-getter. You know? Because I'm a go-getter, firstly, and secondly, I am organized. Because I never pull up like nje. Bon for my second nje like you engacacanga. Yabo nalawe bathi aura. Yabo before aura ibe yinto engathi yaqwalasela. I had it. You know, I was that bro like since back in the day, you know. So sometimes abantu ba intimidated, yabo abanye abarepa ba intimidated because you find out that even abantu bathethe izwi yabo ayingobantu benze something. Because also now I'm a real nigga like andijikeli ndibe ndithethe emveni kwakho ndibe ndisithiyeni yabo. If I want to tell you shit, I tell you shit straight to your face yabo, but it's not shit because they're provoker. It's like a constructive criticism yabo. So niggas andiziphakamisanga brazam. Kanithethe nami kakhe bra sivanini. Before we wrap up, I just want to give you game coach man yabo. Bendithethe away earlier on about selling umculo wami directly to your fans and this is something I want abantu to not sleep on. Because the reason why Ophizo or all these niggas that we grew up listening to they're great is because of the impact that they had in the streets, not in the streets of social media. If I in the real streets apho samakhona aba bantu we used to see them, we used to engage nabo so nani niggas you need to find a way ezavumela ba abantu bakho abakusupportayo bakusupport directly, so that at least now you gain something from lewe ungabikho depressed. Even if you sell a single yakho nge-10 rand, if you sell that shit to maybe let's say 100 people, that's 1k. So now imagine if you're selling a project yakho ngo 150 to 100 people, that's 15 bands straight up. But there's a lot that you can do with 15,000 Brian. So I want people to start tapping in. Kulawe yo distributor straight to the man before you take it with digital stores. Yeah, so that's the game that I wanted to pass. Otherwise,
shout out to you, man. Shout out for your patience.
Yeah.
I think you're one of the special cases that I always talk about on the platform. And then when I say that, and I'm like, in the Black Couch, it's very complicated. It's not like radio up by uzosai bio zako nendondon zako and they like pull up yabo. Mna ngase connect eqala ngase kubekho something and come there's something up something will come out of the episode that we're gonna do. Not to be like in bendi buzi mibuzi ngathi ndiyaqasha yabo nangapi uzalele yabo zawe anikwazi uzenze zawe. So shout out to you bra for being patient and ube persistent yabo lawe ispan sakho sesakuthethelele qobelelana nifunayo ba umuntu athethelele ispan sakhe. And if ever mhlambi you feel like hey kwathuleka ewe now was feeling athi ureti again mhlawumbe sake sathetha kudala, hit me up. Yabo sometimes I might not hit you up because nina tendency yoba nithi ngoku uyanihita up because ubona icloud yabo yabo. So vele nami ngoba ke cool I'm chilling yabo. But I'm always happy to be also part of the reason why there was a platform called the Roasting Session was to engage nabantu at a level whereby abaziwa. Yabo lawe not ba waziwa kwaziwa. I'm not going to take credit kwindo zakho and stuff like that yabo. So saziwa mhlawumbe, but it did help some of the people yabo. And I think umuntu nothetha ngaya, and I'm sure akanoba nangxaki ngalowe upro child. If you go and watch episode 1 with Roasting Session uzambona upro child
Roasting Session ngeza cypher
wayemncinci kangakanani by that time. And he was nervous like wasabonakala ba he's still getting into something. Understand? And watching him right now, it's like a proud moment to say that la platform was did what it's supposed to do yabo. But with Black Couch is not the same as that platform, unfortunately. At first go isaqala isekhona la window yabo to say okay we can take umntu ongazwayo. Still now we can take umntu ongazwayo, but the story ne impact ngasibe khona at least yabo, so that at least it can drive the energy and the concept yabo. Otherwise whoever is watching there and they want to come to the couch, make sure that you follow us in this tetayo and then just hit me up. Sawuthetha ngizakunika response. From the response, take everything I tell you. Follow it away, and then everything else is our bonus. As bonus, so fairly couching. I couldn't special couch. I couldn't go. When you get to the couch, you gotta be like, Asuka kadi ila couch. So shout out, guys. Shout out to you, Bran, Cray Dog. Shout out to Abanba Cray Dog. Subscribe, guys. We are wrapping up right now. Hopefully in the near future I'll come to a Cray Dog.
You definitely will.
This was feel like Cray Dog.
Oh, brother, for money welcoming us, man. You with one of the greatest.
I need to do a live podcast, the Cray Dog, Some the live podcast might include
Mabibi, for sure.
And be live, with Mabibi, and then there's audience in front of him, hopefully.
That would actually be a dope idea, actually. And the corner in the Alpine thing, maybe you align nayo i-Black Panther Center yabo nje mhlawumbe ngokuthumelela ilink yakhona yabo umnyu brow busy pha kuthiwa nguChiza yabo uChiza ipoet nayo yabo but ke activist ukhona man involved kwezininzi kasi maybe if you really decide on doing it funa kuyibethe pha because I think guys setting a grand layer for you.
No, we're gonna talk. There's an Eastern Cape talk coming. Otherwise, guys, I have to close it right now. after this episode, make sure you stay tuned because we're taking the Black Couch podcast outside of Cape Town. We're going straight to Johannesburg. We're going to be doing amazing episodes. Check us out, guys, and make sure that you stay tuned because soon we're going to do Eastern Cape tour very soon. So we're going to different places. It's no longer about Ikapa Yodwa. We're trying to tackle as much as we can different locations and different neighborhoods. Otherwise, from your boy Coffee the King, I'm out here in Cape Town.